How to find Shein promo codes. Now in order to find coupon codes or promo codes for Shein, you just simply need to go into your browser and then search for coupon follow. Then this first link of couponfollow.com will appear. Simply open that. And after opening it, you will get to see a bunch of options, and one of them is this search button. Tap to search button, and after tapping in there, you will get to see this search bar where you will need to search for Shein in here. And after that, a lot of Shein options such as Shein.com, Canada Shein.com, Australia Shein.com, and etc. will appear. Just simply open any of the option which is suitable for you. I'm opening Shein.com, and after that, this Shein coupon codes and discount codes or promo codes, anything that you would like to call it, will appear. You can just simply scroll down and figure out the best option that is suitable to you. This is how you can very easily find Shein promo codes. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.